Okay, so hi coders. Today I am going to solve one of the most and frequently asked in interview question. This question based on the sliding window variable based question. In my previous video, I was explain types of sliding window concept. First, variable size and second, window size. This question is based on the variable size. So how can I solve? And now I'm going to solve this question. So first, we have given this array, okay, and we have given this array and with window size k. So first we have given this array, okay, and find out the first negative number of sub array with k size, which means, so here I have given -1, here I have given -1, 2 and -2 and 3 and 3. So we have given this array. So my first negative number with window size, which means these are my window, okay. So in this case we have two negative number. So the question asks my first negative number. I will find out. So this is my first negative number, and in this scenario we have this is my negative number, and in this scenario, these are my below. So okay, so this is my final answer, and this is my final answer, which is -1 and -2 and -2. So we have to find out this answer. How can I find out? So I write the algorithm to how can I find out this answer, okay. Okay, so here I write the algorithm to solve this problem. Yes, so this question will be solved the in two steps. First I will need two pointer, which is definitely I need to move here I and j, move here, and move here and move here. So I need two pointer, and with size k. So size k is equals to j minus I plus 1, which is, this is the trick to find out my window size. In this case window size, and suppose we have given k equals to 2, k equals to 4. So any window size we have to just write j minus I plus 1, which is indicated my window size, okay. So and second is most important. This is the most important logic to solve my problems in this scenario. So this is my window size, okay, and I need to store first negative number, which is -1, okay. So I write one condition. If array of I less than 0, so in this scenario my first negative number will be present in my here. So I will push into my queue. Why queue? Because when I store q dot push array of I. Why? Because when I my queue data structure what say first in first out. So the first element will be first remove and first delete and first insert and first the queue data structure based on the first in first out, which means first element push and first element pop out, okay. So in this case this is my queue, okay, this is my queue, okay. When I first I will insert it into my q dot, when array of I less than 0, so q dot push equals to array of I. So this is my negative number, 0 is less than, so that push here, okay. And now again this is my, in this scenario this 3 is also negative number, so they also push it here, okay. Now so this is my q. Why we use q? This is the logic to why we use q. And once find out the q, so in the q data structure first element is my first window of negative number. Yes, in this case the q of first element, which is this is my first negative number, which is I given. So this is my first negative number. So when I will push it into here, and now the window size will be true, then I will perform the and insert it into my vector. Because when I okay, I write else if when array of when j is equals to j minus I plus 1. So that's in this scenario when the queue is empty, not queue is empty, so v dot push q dot, okay, v dot push q dot front. So this is my all about logic. And when I push my first element into vector, so I will move I here and j here. So I here and j here. Okay. So now similarly I will perform this. So array of array of j less than equals to 0. So in this scenario q dot push, and else if the window size true, then I will perform and push q front into my vector. So and now end of this I will return the vector of. This is all about my logic to solve this problem. I hope you have to learn about and understand it how it works. Okay, so thank you.